Oh, hi, I guess. Hey, why'd you do that? Cause, duh. Well, that was kind of mean. Well, take that. Leave me alone. Miss? Yes? You've been really pushing me a lot. Would you please stop, sir, or I will have to move you. Fine. I love you, babe. I love you too. Could you please stop that? It's kind of weird. We're just some lovers. Jeez. Yeah. Oh, what's your problem? People, right, hon? Yeah. Mommy! I wanna watch Shrek. Please, we don't have Shrek here. Could you please quiet your children down? Oh, she's just a kid. Could you please just be nicer to her? Oh, fine. Whatever, little brat. Hey, that's my kid. That's my kid. What is going on here? She keeps hitting my kid. Stop right now, or we will have to kick you off the plane and stop the entire flight. Yeah. Hey, do you like this slime? Do you like this? Do you like the macaroni? Well, actually, I'm allergic to macaroni. Okay. Come on, touch it. Touch it. No. Touch it. No. Oh my god, you just got it stuck in my skin. What's going on here? I am a fatal reaction. I would like to talk to your pilot, please. Well, the pilot is driving the plane right now. He cannot talk. It would be a bad idea to put it on autopilot right now. But there's macaroni in my hair. I understand, but we cannot stop the plane. Please. Sorry, but it is in my tail too. Fine, I will go get him. Someone called me? Yes, it was me. This person got macaroni in my hair. I'm sorry, but we cannot do anything about it. What? At least give me like $50. Fine, we will give you 15 cents. No, $50. Fine. Here. Thank you. Please do not carry macaroni. Fine. My macaroni. My god. Gotta go back to the plane. Mom, I gotta practice my dance. We have a dance tomorrow. Jab, boo. Did you just stab? No. We're gonna lose that contest. Ooh, 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 yeah. Ooh, 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 ooh. There's also a singing contest, and I already entered, just to warn you. Okay, let me hear what you got. Are you sure? Because I'm not really that good at singing. Just give it your all, I guess. Okay. Here I go, I'll play some music. Goes on fire. Fantasies. Fire. Oh, round, down. Oh, so. This girl is on fire. Yeah, I can't sing no more. I'll try. Okay, I'll close my eyes. Okay, I'm gonna close my eyes. I'm just scared.
You told me tonight, Jenny.
I'm a little scared.
I'm keeping somewhere. You saying that, yeah. Throwing a bunch of ice cream. Yeah, no.
Hi, babe. Hi. Taking a nap. Me too. Would anyone like some food? Over here, please. Get me some macaroni. I got this giant thing of macaroni. I'll take some. That tasted really good. Thanks. Hopefully you guys like and subscribe, because that was the end of the video. Part 2 will be coming out actually this exact same night. So, yeah.